In this video, I will show you how to fix stories keep getting stuck at 90% in Instagram. So to fix this, what you can do is simply check if your internet connection is stable. You can try turning it off, then turning it on again. The next thing that you can do is simply turn on airplane mode. Leave it on for about 20-30 seconds. After that, turn it off. Then make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected again, or you could try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next thing that you can do is simply click and hold on to Instagram icon. Then click on more features. Click on app info. From here click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here you can see clear data and clear cache. Make sure you click on clear cache. Once your cache is cleared, you can try restarting the app or simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. Once your app is updated, you can try relaunching Instagram. And if it's still not working, then what you can do is simply open up Instagram. From here, click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then click on this 3-line menu bar in the top right. Scroll till the end. Here you will find a logout button. Simply click on it. Then confirm logout. After that, log back into your account. Then try posting your story. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.